$1 AI-powered Shopify dropshipping store, step by step. Want to set up a Shopify dropshipping store using AI for just $1? Today, I'll show you a full step-by-step method that can generate real passive income. Before we start, there are 3 rules you must follow. 1. Only use free AI tools. Total budget under $1. 2. Everything must be done on a laptop. No phone setups. 3. Complete the entire setup in under 1 hour. This keeps the process simple, cost-effective, and realistic for beginners. The first real step is choosing the AI tool and your niche. Today, we're using Build Your Store, a free AI tool that helps generate product listings, banners, and descriptions automatically. For the niche, we're picking sport and fitness because it's a huge market. Always pick a niche with high demand and products people actually buy online. Next, we customize the store's look. Choose banners and themes that appeal to both men and women. A clean, professional look builds trust, which is crucial for converting visitors into buyers. The AI tool makes this quick. It generates attractive product banners, logos, and descriptions in minutes. Now, let's set up Shopify. You can start with a free trial, then pick the basic plan, which costs just $1 for the first 3 months. After setting up your account, connect the store domain. Use a brandable name that's easy to remember and helps with SEO. The next step is product sourcing. I'm using AutoDS, which costs only 99 cents to register. This AI-powered tool helps you find winning products, automatically update prices, upload professional photos, handle shipping, and order tracking. So the total setup cost is still $1, making this method extremely budget-friendly. Now, let's optimize the store. Check all AI-generated descriptions for accuracy and engagement. Ensure product images look professional. Customize the domain name for branding and SEO. Double-check product pricing and shipping settings. These small tweaks make a huge difference in conversion rates. To start getting sales fast, we use micro-influencers. For example, the Grace Brothers on Instagram help promote a breathing trainer. They showcase the product quality before launch, which builds trust and encourages people to buy. After just 24 hours, the store made 10 genuine sales of the breathing trainer. Here's the breakdown: product costs and shipping, deducted marketing fees, deducted total profit, $80.35, all this for a total setup cost of $1. Not bad for a first day. This is just the beginning. With the right AI tools, micro-influencer marketing, and niche selection, you can scale this dropshipping model to make thousands of dollars per month with minimal effort. Remember, start small, test fast, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Follow these steps, and in 2026, making money online doesn't have to be complicated. Comment $1 store if you're going to try this today. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered online business tips.